welcome back to my channel. So I'm here to do another dramatic makeup tutorial today. I know you guys been loving them and I've been loving just creating them for you guys. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. I want to do like a chocolate chip vibe type of look, meaning just working with browns and neutrals, just earthy tones, but still making it dramatic. And I might incorporate some glitter. We're gonna see how this turns out as I go along. As usual, I did my brows off camera. If you guys need a detailed eyebrow tutorial, one is always linked in my description box. And yes, today I am wearing Fusion Mink lashes. These are done by Lashed by Elsie, and she's located here in Kingston, Jamaica. Her contact and all that stuff will be in my description box. So if you're interested to go ahead and get bomb fusion lashes that will last. These last for like 3 to 4 weeks, which is really good. You can go ahead and check her out. So yeah, I have both the top and bottom portion done, and as usual I am loving them. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump right into this tutorial. I'm just gonna go ahead and base my eyelids with concealer, just to even out everything and make whatever eyeshadow I'm going to apply pop even more. I'm going to move on to my transition color, and I'm gonna do a little bit of a splash of like orange, and I'm gonna be taking my Mango Tango from my Stilazzi Barbados palette. I incorporate this palette in my last tutorial. I first dab it on and then kind of just windshield wiper, because this way I've realized that I get a better color payoff and everything just appears way more pigmented. So I really like this. So I'm first gonna just use this orange and then go over top with brown, but I'm gonna pull this up and blend it out. So I'm gonna be going into my Alamar Cosmetics palette, and I'm gonna be taking the dark brown in this palette is Cafecito, and this is it. So I'm just dabbing, swiping, blending everything. Guys, I'm gonna be doing a simple liner on the upper lash line. I'm just taking this retractable Jordanna black liner to do it. Nothing too fancy or anything. No wing liner today, just a simple line. And it's been a while since I've used a pencil like this to do my liner. I definitely want to do some glitter. What I'm going to be adding is some brown glitter, this that I have right here. I'm going to be using this adhesive that I got in my Sistar Cosmetics glitter packaging the other day. This is their Shine Like a Diamond collection. That's the collection that this is from. I really love it. This is just the primer. I'm kind of focusing it on the center for now. So this is how it's looking, which I feel like I want to definitely go ahead and extend it on either side. So I went ahead, did my face makeup, and now I'm back. So as you can see, I applied some powder, a little baking action going on, because I'm gonna be applying the same shades on the bottom portion of, well, on my lash line, the lower lash line. I'm just going to, smoke this out, because we wanna have that super smoky, sultry, sexy look. So, and I feel like for the inner corner, I wanna give it a little bit of highlight. Then I'm gonna go back in with the same brown. So now I wanna basically go in on the inner corner with like a golden shade. So I'm gonna go in with my Sam Marcel palette, and I wanna go for this shade here, which it's showing up lighter than it actually is, but this, and probably mix it with this as well. Now that I'm done with that, I'm just gonna dust away the powder used for just catching any fallouts, and just a little bit of baking. And I really want to be glowy today. From the other day I kind of took it down a notch, but today I want to be beaming. Oh, and I'm using the Conceited Illuminator from Artist Couture. it's giving me like bronze goddess vibes, definitely. I'm gonna be doing bold brown matte lips. Okay, since the skin is so glowy and dewy and the eyes are sultry, I'm gonna go all out. I'm gonna be using these two lippies. I'm using the liquid matte lipstick from Umbrella Club in Vendetta, which is like a dark plum, and then I'm gonna be using my Lena Cosmetics baby matte lipstick in Badass Fudge. It's much darker than this, so I'm gonna go in with this and kind of do like a liner vibe thing.
Here we are, a million stars floating over our heads.
I pat it in to just make sure that everything is super matte and just really intense. Guys, that's it for this video today. I apologize for the noise in the background, I really do. But yeah, that's the completed look. I really hope you guys like it. I'm loving it. I really love the glowiness. I missed that, honestly. I love the intensity of the colors, like how sultry everything is. It's really nice. So this is perfect for like a club night, you know, a sexy dinner date, you know, just something super sultry and sexy, you know. But yeah, so that's it, and I'll put the products that I used in the description box so you guys can go ahead and check that out. This wig, by the way, yes, it's from RPG Hair, duh. And I'll link my RPG Hair page so you guys can go ahead and check out all the wigs that, well, most of the wigs that I've worn so far, not all of them, on that page, and you can purchase if you'd like. My discount codes are there. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. By the way, leave your suggestions for other looks that you want to see and videos in general. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye.